Your nation people, me have to laugh because guess what I want? Vybz Cartel, aka World Boss. Him and Fever do it again. So right now, it look like you see Fever. It's like it a circle the whole globe. But watch ya. First, gold in the United States. Second, silver in the UK. Third, it a move to gold right about now as me speaking in a Canada. Next move from there, so it look like it a go take on Germany. So it look like this one song when named Blood Clot Fever, like it broke the blood clot world record. Because everywhere it go, it a dominate. You see what I say? But here we are go on. Before we done thing. Because you know, are the world boss. And from the world boss, you know no dog can back. Because you know a Gaza in charge. So guess this. Let me drop the world baddest intro first. Because my video now got nice without this. Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what I go on. Hey, carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. Wanna know it already, you know? When me aim up, crank up, load up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, wanna know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Gaza Nation? It can't get more electrifying more than that. No gimmicks business, not the inner it. So, the big bad song Fever. Right now, it'll take over the whole world like a disease. No gimmicks business, not dead about it. Gold in the United States. Silver in the UK. Right about now, Canada underneath pressure. Because in a minute from now, you're going to hear them release the Grand Philly speaking and make you know say the gold gone in Canada again. Too. You see what I say? And Germany, watch out. You see what I say? Fever forwarding soon. Soon and very soon. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. What more we can say about the world boss, my brother? Yesterday, I see J Radio go live on J Radio ask the people them right now to the way of the world boss in charge and I move first class after I'm there in a prison. It's him ask if they should call my father name with Vybz Cartel name. Well, when you talk about Vybz Cartel and you mention my father, one thing alone you can talk about are the clash where them did have. But after that, you can't call my father name with cartel name. This is what I say. In the first place, my father there road. Listen me? Cartel in a prison. The music them don't match up. Streaming, view, which part of the song them a go, at league. None of them things they don't match up. You see what I say? Dominant in terms of like how the song dominate, the mark and the print where the song left in the world. Them things they don't match up, my brother. You see what I say? You don't hear nobody in the Caribbean I say, yo, right now, a gully side places, or more farther around right there, so. Everywhere over the Caribbean you go, them tell us the honorable world boss, Vybz Cartel, lock the place. And when you go all in the first world country, are the same thing. And when you go even the continent, Like even Africa and them place are the same thing. When you see the motorcade, when you see the big truck them, when you see the big bus them, when you see the posters, when you see the platform and all kind of shit. You see what I say? When you see the billboard them will build up and all them things there. Now gimmicks business not dead about it, my brother. Remember this man in a prison, you know, my brother. What this man are doing, you know, a unbelievable world record business, you know, my brother. No joking shit, not dead about it, you know. You see what I say? And sometimes, you know, through how great and lyrical and witty he is, you know, sometimes we take them things there for granted, you know, my brother. But I'm not going to show no why we can't even take them things there for granted. Look how much man do out the street. Look how much man claim say them are on the road and not burn up more and say them can give we all more. And we not hear nothing from them, my brother, when they touch certain athlete thing or not even certain billboard thing or even certain like the stamp where you leave upon the genre and music in terms of your dominant or where the music do. You see what I say? The type of impact where the music left. Right now, we have to give it up to the world boss, my brother. Mm-hmm. We have to give it up to the world boss. And it look like that song, the same song that we named Fever. When it done, it look like it have most of the leak in the world in terms like I mean like to the medal them where the song are with my brother. Because man I gonna ask you, after a while this song must go platinum. Man I ask you know, it must go platinum in some country. And the reason why that song they probably never reached platinum already. It's because the world boss lock up. I remember the world boss now doing a stage show when him can when him do it. You know the streaming run up on the song and all them shit there. None of them things they not go on, you know, my brother. I remember most of all, you know, no international label, you know, included, you know. So I want for sure to say, you know, the thing total different, you know, my brother. So when you talk about Vybz Kartel, you know, my brother, you talk about one of a kind. You talk about too unique. You talk about so fucking eccentric. Now gimmicks business not there about it. You talk about phenomenal. You see what I say? That mean him complete. Now gimmicks business not dead around it. Now no lollipop thing not dead around it. You can't mix up these artists with Vybz Kartel, my brother. No joke shit not dead about it and no disrespect to no artist. But just for see where world boss there in a prison and a achieve and where the man them out a road a do. You see what I say? It's all about a hype and a bragging business. No work now put in because we now see the material evidence. Fever, born winner. You see me every track rate run pan, it win. You see what I say? And that I want to make you know. Fever, top bread. You see what I say? Top bread, sprinter, steer, bread for steer the distance. How long the song blood clot do now? Every continent it circle blood clot of medal. No gimmicks business no dead about it. And Canada, watch out. You see what I say? I have to go give you the grand finale soon. We'll creep up on the goal. Germany, I look out for hear from on the next, you know. How far international criminal le Germany? I want to know, you know, because I know that so rich blood clot goal or more. No lollipop thing that they about it. The big man Vybz Kartel have two bomb for drop. The first one, a Vybz Kartel feature in Massacre. Too much collateral damage. 87 shootout. No joke thing that they about it, my brother. Shooters! Let me tell you something, my brother. Somebody get dismissed. You see what I say? We don't know who it is yet. But after the material evidence has been dropped, you see what I say? Then we will find out and we will decide our own confrontation. Because listen to me, there ain't no much in a dancer when they talk about the world boss. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. And not everybody and their mother know it. And all who now say the same thing, It have to be haters. So right now, fever dominate the whole world. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Remember, America and UK. You see what I say? And you don't know. Canada, a common assault. Ask them will tell you about the number. No lollipop thing in a it in a nation people. But here we go on. Look out for the massacre. For the Vybz Cartel featuring massacre. And let me tell you something. When you can go for Vybz Cartel page and tell him, well done, boss. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And the life is still a little longer, but I have to go run for somewhere now. But I just have to make you know how powerful and fast and firm fever is. Every track it go it dominate. First class. What? Bless up to the world boss who in charge. Oh.